Hello grade 1, welcome to Social Studies lesson. Today we will continue with Unit 2 Where People Live. Lesson 3 People and Places. Objectives of this lesson are: compare and contrast rural and urban areas, describe the human characteristics of places and regions, discuss how where people live affects their shelter and transportation. Vocabulary: neighborhood, shelter, farm, transportation. People live in many kinds of communities. A city is a large community with many neighborhoods. A neighborhood is a small part of a city. A town is a smaller community than a city. It has fewer people, stores, and streets. Some communities are far away from towns and cities. Many people in these communities have farms. A farm is a place for growing plants and raising animals. Where people live affects the kind of shelter they have. A shelter is a home. Some people live in apartment buildings, others live in houses. Transportation is any way of moving people and things from place to place. Transportation can be by land, water, or air. Summary: there are many kinds of communities. Where people live affects their shelter and transportation. Let's review. How does where people live affect their shelter and transportation? The location and physical and human characteristics of a place affect shelter and transportation. What is a shelter? A shelter is a home. Why do you think many cities have trains that travel under the ground? City streets can be very busy. Trains underground let people travel faster. Why do you think many people in cities live in high-rise apartments? There is less space to spread out, so people build up. Activity: make a chart showing kinds of transportation that go by land, by water, and by air. By land: car, bike, truck. By water: ship, sailboat, submarine. By air: airplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. Can you think of more kinds of transportation that can be added to this list? That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.